In life, we upgrade from small to bigger cars, from basic phones to latest smartphones. But there's one upgrade that truly defines us and matters. Moving from just a house to an upgraded home. Can ASBL Landmark be the great upgrade you've been searching for? Let's find out together in this detailed project review. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to ABTV. I am Tanu Sardana, and today I will be revealing the details, the pricing of ASBL Landmark located in Kukatpalli. But before we start the video, let me remind you to subscribe to MBTV and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Spanning across 6.6 acres, ASBL Landmark features 4 towers with G plus 19 and 20 floors, offering 3, 3.5 and 4 BHK apartments. The project offers 75% open spaces, ensuring a blend of modern living and greenery. Residents also get a G plus 4 clubhouse packed with amenities. According to RERA, the possession is scheduled for August 2029. Now, let's dive deeper to uncover more details about this development.
The developer is offering 3 distinct configurations to cater to different lifestyle needs. The 3 BHK units range in size from 1,645 to 2,065 square feet. For those seeking extra room, the 3.5 BHK units span from 2,455 to 2,560 square feet, offering added flexibility. And the 4 BHK configuration boasts a super build-up area of 2,860 square feet, designed for those who desire expansive living spaces.
Talking about the 4 BHK layout, it includes a drawing room and a separate family living area, along with a dining area and a kitchen with attached utility space. The layout features a master bedroom with a dresser and 3 additional bedrooms, each with an attached washroom. It also offers 2 balconies, providing outdoor access from within the home. The design ensures practical use of space for daily living. The developer has allocated over 52,000 square feet for a clubhouse and indoor amenities. In today's real estate market, amenities play a crucial role in attracting buyers. Let's take a closer look to see if these offerings meet your expectations and add value to your lifestyle needs. For everyday convenience, the project includes facilities such as a supermarket, clinic, salon, laundry services, and a car wash. Additionally, a space is allocated for activities like Indian classical dance and aerial yoga, offering residents opportunities to stay connected with cultural and wellness practices. In addition to the amenities for daily living, the project includes a swimming pool, tennis court, gym, walking track, and a Panch Tantra themed play area for children. Community spaces like a hall and a co-working area are also a part of the offerings. The pricing for a 3 BHK starts at 1.32 crore and goes up to 1.65 crore. For a 3.5 BHK, the range is approximately 1.65 crores to 2.5 crores, while the 4 BHK units are priced starting at 2.29 crores. Real estate prices are subject to change, so it is always a good idea to verify the latest pricing directly with the developer. You can also check updated details on our Magic Bricks website. In Kukatpalli, the average property rate is 7,537 per square foot. Purchasing a 3 BHK home in this area can cost approximately 1.70 crores and upwards, while 4 BHK homes typically start at 2.22 crores, with prices reaching up to 2.93 crores depending on the size, location, and amenities. Always verify the latest prices with the developers or consult trusted platforms for accuracy like Magic Bricks. ASBL Landmark can be compared to NSL Nakshatra, which is located approximately 5 kilometers from the project. NSL Nakshatra offers 3 and 4 BHK apartments with prices starting at 2.39 crores and reaching up to 4.08 crores depending on the configuration and features. This comparison provides potential buyers with an idea of the pricing spectrum for similar properties in the vicinity. ASBL, Ashoka Builders India Private Limited, is a real estate development company based in Hyderabad. It operates as an extension of Ashoka Builders, which has been active in the real estate sector for over 27 years. ASBL primarily focuses on residential projects and has delivered multiple developments in Hyderabad. Their portfolio includes both under construction projects and ready-to-move-in residential projects such as ASBL Loft, ASBL Springs, ASBL Spectra, ASBL Spire, and Lakeside. The company continues to expand its presence in Hyderabad by delivering residential spaces designed to cater to modern urban requirements. The project's location offers an ease of access to essential facilities, addressing many daily challenges for its residents. For travel, the Bharatnagar railway station is only 1.9 km away, and the Musapet metro station at 1.3 km provides seamless metro connectivity to key parts of Hyderabad. Additionally, the Sanat Nagar railway station is within 3.1 kilometers, while the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is 45 kilometers away, catering to long-distance travel needs. Healthcare services are readily available with nearby hospitals such as Amor Hospital, Leela, and Remedy Hospital. Education is also convenient with reputed institutions like Euroschool, Bharati Vidyaniketan, and the Greek Planet School located close by. Shopping and entertainment options are abundant with Ashoka One Mall, PVR, and In-Orbit Mall offering plenty of leisure and retail opportunities. Like other parts of the city, Kukatpalli also faces challenges like traffic snarls, waterlogging during heavy rains, and air pollution. Even with the ongoing challenges, the city is about to experience something significant. Hyderabad is set for a significant infrastructure boost with the Hyderabad City Innovative and Transformative Infrastructure Project. The Telangana state government has recently sanctioned 23 new works under this initiative, increasing the budget to 5,942 crore rupees from the previously approved 4,305 crores. The project focuses on easing traffic congestion, improving junctions, and mitigating urban flooding, alongside comprehensive upgrades in traffic management. These developments aim to enhance Hyderabad's urban infrastructure, paving the way for a more efficient and resilient city. This concludes our detailed project review of ASBL Landmark located in Kukatpalli. Share your feedback in the comments. Would you consider buying this property or recommend it to your friends and family? We at MBTV believe in delivering you the most accurate information to help you make an informed decision. Show us your support by hitting that subscribe button, and thanks to all of those who are already following us. This is Sanu Sardana signing off with camera person Raghu. We shall see you in the next project review very soon. Stay tuned.